And so I gained 1,000 subscribers in just 7 days, not by luck, not by shouting subscribe, but by copying what's already working using one simple tool inside YouTube Studio. And so if you're struggling to grow, I'm about to show you exactly what I did and how you can do it too. Now let's go to the YouTube Studio, and over here on my channel, as you can see clearly, you could see that we have options over here, down here. So get down straight away to where we have the settings. Yeah, that is exactly what we're going to use in this tutorial. Now we have most of these options over here that are also having their special functionalities, but we shall get time talk about each of them some other time. But we are straight away going to where we have channel. Watch closely. I'm going to show the feature that actually caused the magic for me on my channel. Okay, so that is when you click over, you could see basic info, and down there we have the keyword. So that's exactly what you are to do over here. You see a lot of YouTubers, small YouTubers, and even the big YouTubers, most of them have not actually set their channel keyword. Some of them are not even aware at all. And so I'm going to show you how to get the right keyword, the right tags to fix over here. This is what we call a main channel keyword. YouTube is not recommending your videos. You're not getting subscribers and views, all because YouTube doesn't actually understand your YouTube channel. You've not actually let it understand your YouTube channel and what your channel is all about. If you're able to set all these keywords, that is when you let the algorithm understand that your channel is about this. So as you can see over here, you can see that I have YouTube growth, I have YouTube monetization, YouTube growth advice, YouTube tips, and all that over here. How to get more views and subscribers on YouTube. So as soon as someone searches for any of these keywords on YouTube, straight away YouTube will be recommending my video to the person, all because I've let the algorithm understand that my videos are about this, and that is why these keywords are very important. Okay, so now someone will ask, how do I get these keywords to set them up? Now it depends on the niche you find yourself in. All right, so whatever niche you find yourself in, you are going to get specialized keywords like this. You can use ChatGPT to do that. You can use any of the AIs to actually help you do that. But this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you a very clear and simple way, and a very powerful way, and that is what we call leveraging on the competitor channel. Now let me show you one thing over here. No matter the niche you find yourself in, there's a competitor in that particular niche, and so you're going to scan through those in your niche to find out those who are actually performing the best, those who are having their videos going viral, and then you are going to copy their channel keywords. But the question is, main channel keywords like these are not seen when you visit someone's channel, and so there's a clear way to do that. I'm going to show you. So assuming we are going to look out for, let's say, the main channel keywords of, let's say, what Maya have it over here. So you see, you're going to use the username as this one, and you know what, we are going to use a certain website I'm going to show you, and that's going to do a whole magic for you. That is what we call the YT Large. Yes, ytlarge.com over here. So now when you open the YT Large, as I've already opened on the screen, as you can see clearly, you could see that they have tools. Just check over here. You see they have tools over here. We're going to click on the tools, and then we see what they have. Great. So they have monetization checker to find out if a channel is monetized, and then they have earning calculator, channel ID finder, data viewer, and tag explorer, and the other ones. We are going to use the tag explorer. Let's click on that and see what's going to pop up for us. Good. So what does it say? It's loading, and we are yet to be verified, as you can see. So when you click on the tag extractor, please wait patiently for the site to verify you. Great. So now Sussex, so it's verified now, so you can proceed. So it's asking of you to paste the channel URL or the channel ID or the username. All right, and so now before I use other person's username, let me use my own username at Smart Tutorials. Down there, as you can see clearly over here, at Smart Tutorials, as you can see over here. And then let's search and see what is going to happen if they are able to get the exact keywords I used over there. Let's come down. You see extracted tags for channel. The channel name is Smart Tutorials, as you can see here, and as you can see so clearly, they've been able to extract all the keywords I used over there. Let's check the keywords I have over there. As you can see, these are my keywords in my YouTube studio. As I've told you, these keywords you cannot see it when you visit someone's channel. They are just hidden ones. They are the backstage of the channel. That should say the heart of the channel. Yes. And so you see we have YouTube growth, digital entrepreneurship, digital marketing, YouTube marketing, personal growth. Now let's come to the YT large and see YouTube growth, digital entrepreneurship, digital marketing, YouTube marketing, personal growth, and all that. So it's just a mind-blowing thing. It's so surprising. And if you want to copy, you come here, you click on select all, as you can see clearly over here. Then you click on select all, that's already selected. And then the next thing is to copy selected tags, as you can see over here. So you click on copy selected tags, and then it is already copied, as you can see right here. Now the next thing to do is to come to YouTube Studio. So assuming I already have not actually set my channel, assuming the channel space is empty, and I've been able to copy from a competitor's channel like we just did. So all that I've got to do is just to come here and then paste it over here, as simple as that. And straight away, you'll see that the tags are there. And then you save. Since these are the same tag that were there, that's why you don't see the save button popping up over here. You understand? So that is it. And that's as simple as that. So now, let's use a different person's channel to test it once again. Now, let's use Wodemaya. It is at Wodemaya. Let's try if we can copy it. Okay, let's type it rather. We can type it. I think this one it's memorable, so we can type it. So at Wodemaya, okay, that is it. And then we search and let's wait patiently to see what happens. So it's going to show us Wodemaya's tags. That's the main channel keyword that is helping him to put a lot of views on YouTube. So you see, these are Wodemaya's tags. That's the keywords. So you can see we have Wodemaya. The name is proceeding. Chinese in Africa, the Africa you don't see on TV, Africa, living in Africa, and the rest. So as soon as someone searches for, let's say, the Africa you don't see on TV, at a YouTube search, quickly Wodemaya's video will be popping up. As soon as someone searches for living in Africa, Wodemaya's videos will be popping up, and that is the reason Wodemaya is having a lot of views and a lot of subscribers on YouTube. So this one is a trick. In fact, it's one of the YouTube studio hacks that is helping a lot of the big time YouTubers, of which you should also practice it, and it's going to help you a lot. So you can use any other you actually having your channel main keywords set up. That is it. And it's as simple as that. It is only when you set these channel keywords, that is when you tell the YouTube algorithm that your channel is about this or about that. So if your channel is about cooking, if it's about financial, if it's about whatever, documentaries or whatever, travel content or whatever, you have a competitor. Look out for the one who is making it big time in your niche, and then you copy the person's channel main keyword, come and paste it. It's as simple as that. And then from there, the algorithm is actually going to understand your channel and be able to recommend your videos to a larger audience, therefore helping you get a lot of views and then massive subscribers. I was able to get that my 1,000 subscribers within just 7 good days when all these were made, and that is the reason I am showing you all these. So thank you very much, and I'm sure you found value in this particular video. Do well to actually click on the subscribe button, be part of this particular family, if only you would want to continuously be getting powerful tricks and hacks like this to also grow your YouTube channel. But you know what, I have this special video for all African in diaspora who are YouTubers. So if you're in Africa living abroad and you want to grow and be successful, there is a particular video for you. In fact, this video is here for you, specifically for you Africans in the diaspora. Watch it right now, and hey, you're actually going to send your YouTube to a very massive YouTube channel you've been waiting for. Thank you very much. See you next time in the next video.